welcome back to this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can divide a given line into a number of equal parts. How you can divide a given line into a number of equal parts by construction. Alright, so it's very simple. Just follow my instruction and you find it easy. So the length of the line that you want to divide into a number of equal parts is 70 millimeters or 7 centimeters. I want to divide that line into 9 equal parts. I want to divide the line into 9 equal parts. And do not forget the length of the line is 7 centimeters or 70 millimeters. Let's go and see how simple this construction is. Now, so what you need to do first is to draw a line, horizontal line of any length. So draw horizontal line of any length. Then on this line we are going to take a measurement of 70 millimeters or 70 centimeters or 7 centimeters. So this is 0.0. Then move to where you have 7 on the ruler and make a mark on the line. So this line, I will call it line PQ. So this is point P, okay, and then this is point Q on the line. So now, so we are working on this line, so we have to make it more visible. So make it a thick line. So from point P to point Q like this. So make it visible. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is very important, and you need to listen to me. So as you are still learning, so you take your 30 degrees set square. This is 30 degrees set square. So take it and set it on the T-square like this. Okay. Then shift it to point P. Just shift it to point P like this. Okay. Then draw a line from this point P. So draw a line from this point P in this direction. Alright. So let's call this line, let's call it line PR. So this is line PR. Now, we are to divide this line PQ into 9 equal parts. So we take our ruler. So we take the ruler and we set it like this on this line, and we make sure that 0 is at point P here. Okay. So now the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to take a measurement of 1 centimeter. That is 10 millimeters each. So, but you have a liberty to choose the distance that you want to take. Okay. So what I'm saying is that you can take any convenient radius that you like. Okay, or any convenient distance that you like. Okay. But as for me, I want to make use of 1 centimeter. So on this ruler. So to make 9 points on this line PR. So how do we do that? So this is 1. So this is 2. So here is 3. So this is 4. So here is 5. So this is 6. Then 7. Then we have 8. And this is 9. So I took 1 centimeter. Then the next that we are going to do is that we number this point. So this is 1. So this is 2. So here is 3. So this is 4. This is 5. So here is 6. So this is 7. Here is 8. Okay. And this is 9. Okay, so we have this. Now the next thing that you are going to do is very important. Let's look at it. So the last point that we have here, which is 9 that we have here, so we are going to join this point with point Q, which is the end of the line. So you join like this. So you join like this. So just draw this line like this. Okay. Now, so what will determine the direction of the line is the distance that you have taken here. So what I'm saying is that if I have taken a distance less than 1 centimeter, this line Q9 or 9Q will bend more than this. Then if I have taken a little bit more, it may stand vertical like this. Then if I have taken a little bit more than what we have here, then it may bend in this direction. So whatever direction this line Q9 or 9Q bends, it does not matter. Are you listening? So it doesn't matter. So you can just you don't have to worry yourself about that. So as I've said, what will determine the direction of the line is the distance that you have taken here. So whether it is vertical like this, or it bends more than this, or it bends in this direction, there is no problem with that. Just go on and complete your work. So let's go and complete this work now. So what we need to do now, we need to make use of our ruler. Okay, then we need to make use of the set square. So the set square, we set it on this line. This line is bent like this, so we set it in this direction. Then we put the ruler under it like this. I believe you can see it. So then you hold the ruler down. The ruler must not shift, but the set square will be the one that we have to move to each point and draw a line. So what I'm saying is this: move this set square to point 8 like this. Then draw a line from point 8 to touch the line PQ. Then move it to point 7. So while the ruler remains stable on the paper, so draw this line. Then move it to point 6 and then draw the line. Okay, then move it to point 5 and you draw. Okay, then you move it to point 4 and you draw. So move it to point 3, then you draw this. So move it to point 2 and you draw. Then last one, move it to point 1, then draw this line. Alright, so this is how it should look. So we have divided this line PQ into 9 equal parts. But one thing about this construction that you need to know is that these lines that we drew are parallel to each other. These lines are parallel to each other. What I mean is that this line is parallel to this line is parallel to this line, so the lines are parallel to each other. It's as simple as I've done it here. So when you practice this, you become a master at it. I'll be glad to do more because this work is very, very simple. So if you want to learn more, subscribe to this channel, share these videos with your friends, and then you too, you will know that construction in geometrical drawing is very, very simple. Thank you, and God bless you.